In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in Google Sheets by date. This functionality can be a lifesaver when you're dealing with a large data set and need to organize your information clearly and accurately. We're going to go through the steps to ensure that you can swiftly sort your data chronologically, whether it's for personal tracking, business records, or project management. First off, you'll need to go to Google Sheets. If you're not already familiar with it, Google Sheets is a versatile online spreadsheet application that's part of Google Workspace. Once you're on the website, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. It's crucial to have access enabled so that you can modify and sort your spreadsheets. Next, choose the specific spreadsheet you want to sort. This might be one you've already been working on, or a fresh one where you've just input your data. Once you've opened your spreadsheet, the next step is to highlight all the necessary data. It's important to include everything within the range you want sorted. Doing this ensures that as the dates are rearranged, corresponding data rows remain intact, preserving your dataset's integrity. With your data highlighted, navigate to the top of your screen and click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, click on Sort Range and then Advanced Range Sorting Options. These options provide a more detailed framework, particularly useful when dealing with larger amounts or complex sets of data. Now, you should see an option labeled Data has Header Row. Make sure this is checked if your dataset has headers like Task or Due Date. Checking this box tells Google Sheets to keep these headers at the top and avoid including them in the sorting process. After enabling headers, proceed to click on the column for the task. Following that, select the due date. It's common in spreadsheets to have tasks sorted by their due dates, allowing you to prioritize accordingly. Once you select both these options, you'll then have the choice to sort your data either from Z to A or A to Z. Choosing Z to A will arrange your dates from the most recent to the earliest, which is great if you need the latest tasks at the top. Meanwhile, choosing A to Z will sort them in chronological order, with the earliest dates at the top. Finally, hit Sort. You'll notice instantaneously that all your data realigns according to the dates specified. This method is a straightforward way to maintain organization and enhance the accessibility of your information. And that wraps up our tutorial on sorting data by date in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing personal projects or business data, this tool makes it easy to keep track of everything in a structured way. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.